is 219.25, and we're trying to put a three-way switch in for Wi-Fi. So we've figured out that this side is the main side, which comes with the 5 wires. This is 120 volts. This red one is a traveler. This black one is a traveler. This is a ground, and we're missing a neutral, which we're going to borrow it from this one right here. So this is our neutral. So our 5 wires are going to come in this side.
I'm going to label them so we just...
All right. So our 5 wires is this guy here. This is 5 wires. So the line, this black one, is going to go to right here. The green one is really easy. That's the bare copper wire. Then the neutral, I'm going to join it with this neutral here. And then I have these 2 traveler wires up here. They're going to be the red and the black. So this is done over here. And then on this side, I'm going to put the other switch. This one, green is easy because that's the copper wire. And then the load wire is going to be this white one right here. Then the 2 traveler wires are going to be this red and black. And we're done. All set. So what I did was I used continuity here between these 2, and it made a beep because I went over there and I joined the black and the red wire together with the nut tie, and over here it made the noise going eh, and then when I removed the nut tie, the noise went away. So I know these 2 are traveler wires.
Now, where's the neutral wire here?
This one doesn't have a neutral wire.
Okay.
And
But there is a... Is there a neutral in here?
no neutral.
Okay, there's no neutral here.
Yeah.
Okay. Just travelers, a load, and... Okay, good.
So we're all set.
Good.
So the only thing you need to make now is you need to make that extra neutral line from here, this neutral line, and you
So
got
one of these suckers, yeah.
you got to
Like
cap
this white one right
you got to
there.
cap it all together in one cap.
Yeah, okay.
So remove that,
All right.
and then you'll be all set. Either that, or you can I can give you that little long wire I did, and you can connect it
Yeah,
here.
I think we have enough distance here. Let's just do this.
Because if the more wires you add, the more real estate is all
I
pumped
know,
together.
I know. But I mean, they did give us a lot here. A lot of times you've worked with houses where there's nothing, right?
Yeah. So let's not mess with this one. Mess
wanna
with
put
the
the
other one
neutral one?
first.
Okay.
Because once this one goes live, it sends power over there.
Oh.
So we mess with the other one first.
Yeah.
There's nothing to power. There's nothing to shock us on this side. But we do need a clip again to
Yeah.
take that one out. So I'm going to shut down my video.